Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to remove phone number from Instagram or delete or remove your mobile number or phone number from Instagram. When we need delete your phone number or delete your mobile number from your Instagram account. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow me all steps. So don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Instagram. After that, login or sign in your Instagram account. After that, you can see my Instagram account, and in this I can easily delete or remove phone number or mobile number from my Instagram account. So let's see. After you can see Instagram profile picture, click on it. After that, right top corner three dot option, click here. In this you can choose and open account center. So open it, account center. You can see password and security, personal details. So in this we can choose and open personal details. And in this I can easily delete or remove phone number from Instagram account. After that you can see contact info. This is my Gmail. After that, phone number. And in this here you can choose and open contact info. Open it. Contact information, manage your mobile numbers and email addresses to make sure that your contact info is accurate and up to date. After that, choose and open phone number. You can see this is my Instagram mobile number and phone number, and in this I can easily delete or remove. So let's see. And in this you can see delete number. So choose delete number, click here. Delete number. After that, choose delete, click on it. You can see you have deleted your previous number, and in this way you can easily delete or remove your phone number from Instagram, or delete or remove your mobile number or phone number from your Instagram account. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.